Hello, learner. I'm Professor Dr. Ramesh Gaur, Dean and Director and Head Kalanidhi Division, Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts. I welcome you to this session on reference management tools for citations under this online induction orientation program for teachers and research scholar in higher education, organized by the Ramanujan College Teacher Learning Center, University of Delhi, under Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission for Teaching and for Teachers and Teaching, which is an initiative of Ministry of HRD. So in this particular session, I'm going to talk about various kind of reference management tools, both open access and commercial. You are familiar with different kind of style, APA, MLA, and all these APA and MLA styles have different types of rendering of information, bibliographic information. Like in you talk about in APA style, the year of publication comes in the end, and when you go to MLA, it is reverse and it comes with the author's surname in the beginning. So, for each and every type of reference, there is a different rendering of information. It's extremely difficult to learn, and many times it is time consuming. Students got confused, and most of the time they commit mistakes in uh, having this kind of proper citation. And this unintentional plagiarism is due to uh, lack of proper citation. So let me just introduce you to some kind of reference management tools which are helpful in doing automatic citation. Many of these tools are not just citation tools but are also help in different kind of other objectives. So this is a list of various tools available. You can choose to use any of this according to your requirement, according to the availability of the information with you. Uh, these are some commercial, some open source. Mendeley is one of the most used reference management tool. It is open access, supported by Elsevier. It is help in your managing your research. It's not just a citation tool. It is also a research management tool. It is free. It has a desktop and website version. It's very easy to install. It help in organizing your citation, help in collaboration. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it is fully compatible with all operating systems. And it is a reference manager, help in citation styles for thousands of journals, create bibliographies instantly, flexible formatting, collaborate on bibliographies. It also work as a read and annotate PDFs. You can save all your readings here. You can edit it, put annotation in it, and these annotations are automatically saved. It help to organize PDF files. You can sort it. You can create different folders. It help in comprehensive search in your readings. It also help in sharing your research. It act as a research collaborative social networking platform. Very easy to communicate on this, and it is well integrated with other softwares. It has very good features of backup, and it very well sync with the mobile and other electronic gadgets. And it has a very good network and help in searching millions of papers, various research groups, and also help in creating your online presence. So some of the important features, you can import papers from the website. You can do drag and drop. You can import from other softwares like EndNote, Zotero. You can automatically watch folders, automatically edit to it. So this is the way it is. It has two version: Mendeley Desktop, Mendeley Web. You can see this how it looks like. Uh, when we talk about Mendeley Desktop, it has library view, PDF view. You can add documents to it. You can organize your documents. You can read, highlight, and annotate PDF files. You can import, and you can use this for citing and writing. And it syncs with the web version. In this, there are various options. My Library provides you with easy access to your library, publication folders. Instead of saving your writings on computer hard disk, save it in My Library folder. You can very easily sync with the data across various things. Uh, it has number of library search facilities. So it looks like this. Library view is like that. So you can create various kind of groups. You can create different kind of folders. You can save all your papers and readings also here. Your own, it can be an organizer of your own research writing. You can keep your research writing is very difficult, very easy to locate using this, because it is automatically update the uh, links to the web link, so you can find out if anything change in your website of your contribution. The PDF viewer of the Mendeley is very interesting. So once you install the software, and then you can do all those things. It is basically very easy to install, and all these Mendeley desktop facilities you can make use of it. And the excellent feature of this is this PDF viewer, where you can put all kind of comments, or you can highlight a text. You can also make some comments like, I want to use this as a para, this as a quotation. I want to insert this as a quotation. And when you close this file, all comments, all annotations, all highlights, everything is automatically closed. And when you will be writing a thesis or research paper in MS Word, suppose you have marked a quotation here. Now start writing in MS Word, and you want to add that quotation here in your paper. So in MS Word, it is very well integrated with MS Word. You click on uh, insert quotation. You will reach here in Mendeley and open this particular file and select that quotation, and say insert quotation. So this quotation will be automatically inserted in your folder. At the same time, a reference list will be generated, and even numbering, citation numbering will also be done. So you can insert multiple quotation using this, and you can also create a bibliography of your reference list using like whatever reference you are using in your writing. It's very easy to create bibliography, and most important thing is that you can choose any style, APA, MLA, or thousands of styles inbuilt in this system. So this is an excellent feature of this particular software, which is very important. Uh, you can add many uh, document into that. It's very easy. You can simply drag and drop. Uh, you can import from other softwares like BibTeX or EndNote, or You can transfer from uh, other citation tools. It is well accepting. When you are using Scopus, you will see an option coming when you are searching, add to Mendeley. So it has very interesting and very good features. It help in organizing your readings very well. Uh, it uh, it also have number of option to create folders and subfolders. Uh, this read, highlight, and annotate option in the PDF viewer is very interesting. You can put a detailed searchable notes also in this, and all these things what you highlight and annotate are savable in this. You can use anytime. You can use this as a find and import view contents. You can do literature search from using this tool. You can put an auto add fact feature in that. When you are writing and citing, you have this citation plugin. So you install the citation plugin, install MS Word plugin, and when you will be using MS Word, this plugin will help you in writing and citing at the same time. This MS Word plugin is look like that. Mainly do very good syncing with both desktop version as well as with many other tools. So Mendeley desktop version is having no limitation of data, but web version is having limitation of 12 gigabyte space for free data. So in that case, if you don't use that, then that should be a problem. Like if you have more data, then you have to put active data on web version and rest data on your uh, desktop version. And this sync well while traveling. You can interchange the data. So in the Mendeley web version, these are the important things. You have your dashboard where you can have news feed. You can do account setting, your profile photo, and all. You can import all your articles there. You can. It looks like that web dashboard. In this, there are features like My Library, import content with web importer, share document is the feature. You can make search, catalog over 300 million documents. You can get full access to articles from many sites using open URL. You can become collaborator with various researcher. Like there are many researchers who are there, so you can join group. You can have your own group. You can join others group. You can invite others to join your group. So this group feed, you can have group discussions, etc. You can promote your publication, and citations are given to your. Suppose somebody is reading your article here on Mendeley, you got a citation for it. Beside Mendeley, there are other softwares like Zotero. It is also a free source software, open source software. It also helps in collecting, organizing data and citation. It can also be downloaded from the site given below in my presentation. Uses it also have many various options and compatible with all operating system. There are some commercial software EndNote, which is available free with Web of Science. Uh, it is also similar to like Mendeley in one thing. Like in Scopus, when you go, it's say add to Mendeley. When you use Web of Science, it's say add to EndNote. So it has a number of interesting features, help in creating bibliography, citations. So if you are having Web of Science subscription, you can make use of that. So These are the two other options, but there are a number of other options also available, but time is limited here in this presentation, so I cannot talk about all those things. And I want to thank all the sources I acknowledge in the paper, particularly the contributions of my colleague, Mr. Sunny. These are my email IDs. If you have any further question, please feel free to contact me. Uh, to conclude, I would like to say, in this today's world, technology play a very important role. It is very important for the researcher to understand and learn use of these emerging technologies. I remember when I introduced this concept in Jawaharlal Nehru University as a university librarian over there. Researchers over there were so happy. They were so fascinated to know about Mendeley and other software. Actually, they were not familiar with that. And when then came to know there are softwares which automatically help in citation, and this it saves a lot of time. So what are the main advantages of these softwares? The first thing is it saves time, because uh, you need not to remember all those citation styles and rendering of it for different references. It takes care of automatic citation. Second thing, accuracy. As a human being, we can commit mistake, but generally, technology, computer, the way it has been programmed, never commit a mistake. So you will get an accurate citation, and you will get the numbering and sequencing properly. That ultimately helps at the time of the checking using plagiarism detection software. So it helps in avoiding plagiarism. It helps in uh, even enhancing the quality of your research. So my suggestion is that this is the theoretical talk. What you need to learn, choose any of these softwares and have some kind of hands-on yourself, install yourself, and then try to learn. If you are not able to learn properly, then there are a lot of training program organized on Mendeley and other reference management tools. You can request your library to organize a training program. You can request, if you wish, I can guide you. Somebody will conduct a. You need minimum 1 or 2 days hands-on workshop to learn it in a better manner. Definitely, technology is more important, and hands-on are really important. All those kinds. So, my last suggestion to you is that please learn at least one of it. If you want to write a research paper, use this. Don't write any research paper without help of a good reference management tool. It will certainly help the quality of your research. Thank you very much. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me on the email IDs given in my last slide. And I wish you all the very best. Thank you.